How can you go back to the big keyboard on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So as you know, on your iPad you might have multiple different keyboard types. For example, you have the full screen. You can also just pinch in on the keyboard and make it go and switch to the floating one, right? So as you can tell, in order to make it go back, one of the ways to make it go to the full screen is to pinch out on the keyboard and it will return back to the normal, right? So that is one way. On the other hand, you can also hold it down on the buttons, so you don't have to stick with the gesture method. You can also use the buttons. So on the floating keyboard, you hold it down on the three dots or like this handle below it, and this will give you the option to switch between the full screen or floating keyboard. And if it's already in the full screen, you can hold down on the button in the bottom right, and you will be able to switch it to the floating one. So that is how it works, not with the gestures, but through the buttons. So as you can tell, it is pretty simple, and as you can see on my iPad Pro, it only switches between these two modes, but on the iPad Mini, for example, you can also go to the split keyboard, which is like a third mode, but again, you'll be able to switch between the modes the very same way, either the pinch gestures or hold down on the button and just click whichever option you prefer. So that is how it works. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.